So today we will learn how to make a end port into the FPGA board. The FPGA I'm using is the Basys3. So we need to open Vivado, create project. Next, we give it a name. We'll call it end port. Next. Of course, I'll choose the Basys3 board. Finish. So let's change the language from Verilog to VHDL. Okay. So let's add sources, add or create design sources. Next, create file. We call it top. Okay. Finish. And now we will connect two switches to the input ports and one LED to the output port. So we'll have switch 1, switch 2, and LED as a output port. Okay. So now Vivado has created the .vhd file. We can open it. And we need to write LED, switch 1, and switch 2. So Ctrl S to save the file. And now we can run the synthesis. Okay. So the synthesis has completed, so we can open the synthesized design. Okay. So in I/O ports, we have the 3 scalar ports. So we have an output port, LED, and we'll connect it to the LED, L1. The standard is LAVCMOS 33. So we have another input, the switch 1. We'll connect it to the first switch, R2. Okay. And the third port is the switch 2. We'll connect it to the second switch, T1. Ctrl S to save. Okay. So Vivado is creating the constraint file. We'll give it a name. Okay. So now if we go to sources, we have the constraint file. So now we can generate the bit stream. And Vivado will relaunch the synthesis. So we can close the synthesized design. So the implementation has completed. So we can open the hardware manager. Now we can turn on the FPGA board. Now we have to open target, auto connect. So now we can program the device with our bitstream, top.bit program. And now, if we switch on the first and the second switch, the LED turns on, because it's an AND port. So we need to switch on both the switches. So thank you guys. Remember to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. See you in the next video.